Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're looking to reset your iPhone to factory settings without losing any of your precious photos, videos or apps, I'll guide you through the process step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. Open the settings app and tap your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now to create a fresh backup of all your data on iCloud. Once your backup is completely, go back to Settings and select General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. A confirmation message will appear explaining that only settings, like Apple Pay cards, Wi-Fi settings and preferences, will reset, but no data, photos, videos, apps and media will be deleted. Confirm your selection and your iPhone will reset all settings to factory default. This is preferred if your iPhone is Action app or you want to fresh start without losing any personal data. Plus, with your recent iCloud backup, you can always restore everything if needed. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.